everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Naman. I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I will be unboxing and showing one of the sneakers that I picked for myself, and this is a special one. I picked these sneakers specifically for my birthday, but unfortunately I couldn't show you these sneakers earlier. My birthday was in the month of June, and unfortunately I couldn't wear these sneakers at that point in time as well because of some personal reasons. But I thought it was long overdue that I show you these sneakers. So let me quickly open the box and show you the sneakers. So here they are. So this is Nike Dunk High in the orange colorway, also known as Nike Dunk Syracuse. Let me quickly put the sneakers over here. Now before I talk about the sneakers, I just want to give you a little background about Nike Dunks. So Nike Dunks were originally released in 1985 and were designed by one of the most famous Nike designers, Peter Moore. They were originally basketball sneakers and were designed specifically for college basketball. They came out in 8 different colors, as you can see over here. The sneaker was not that famous initially for basketball, but later on the sneaker really got famous within the skateboarding community. And in late 1900s and early 2000s, a lot of skateboarders started wearing Dunks, and that is when Nike came out with the SB version of Dunks, which is basically the skateboarding version of Dunks, and they have gotten more famous than the original Dunks. So now coming back to the sneaker, so this is the orange color of Nike Dunks. Originally came out for Syracuse University because orange is their official color. So this was a sneaker that I was after for a very long time, and when I saw that Nike was finally re-releasing these sneakers, I was really happy, and I tried to buy these sneakers on retail through Nike Sneakers, but like always I couldn't hit a W. I filled up the raffle for these on West Donjon Super Kicks as well, but again I couldn't cop these through the raffle as well. So unfortunately I had to buy these sneakers from a reseller. Now the retail price for the sneakers is 9,295 and I ended up paying 13,000 rupees for these, but I'm happy that I bought these sneakers for 13,000 because the market value for these particular sneakers have gone up a lot. I think currently they're going for around 18 to 20,000 rupees, and I'm so happy that I decided to buy these sneakers at that time for 13,000 because I wanted these sneakers very bad. Orange is one of my favorite colors, so I knew that sooner or later I would be buying these sneakers. Talking about the color blocking of the sneaker, the color blocking looks really nice. They have used orange color on the tip of the sneaker, on the eye stick, swoosh, and on the back panel as well. And similarly they have used the orange color on the sock liner and on the insole as well. Also the same orange color has been used for the outsole. As you can see, the outsole is the same outsole which is used for Air Jordan 1s because both the sneakers were launched in the same year, and Nike ended up using the same outsole for both the sneakers. And also coming to the white color, they've used the white color on the vamp, on the midsole, a little bit on the collar of the sneaker, and on the tongue as well. Now the tongue is lightly padded inside, which gives a lot of comfort to your upper toe, which is great. And on the tongue they have got the Nike branding, which is also in the orange color, which looks really nice. Also talking about the laces, the sneaker comes with flat orange laces like this one, but I switched it to white round laces. Now Nike uses these round laces only for the SB model, but I had an extra pair of white round laces, so I switched it up, and I think they look much better than the orange laces. Now let me quickly put these on feet and show you how they look, and then we'll talk about the rest of the sneaker. Right, so as you saw, the sneakers look amazing on feet, and that is one of the main reasons why I ended up paying resale for these sneakers, because I love the way Dunks look on my feet. So talking about the comfort of the sneaker uses the same technology that came out in 1985. So I would not suggest you to wear Dunks if you're going out for 5 or 6 hours, wherein you know that you will have to walk a lot. But at the same time, if you're going out just for a couple of hours wherein you know that you might not have to walk a lot, or you're just going out for a dinner or just chilling out in a cafe, then I would definitely suggest you to wear Dunks. Now talking about the sizing of the sneakers, I would suggest you to go true to size. There is a lot of space in the toe area. So that's it for today's video. Now I cannot express how happy I am to finally get these sneakers in my collection, and this is one sneaker that will be in my collection forever. One sneaker that I will be wearing a lot in the future, because I just love the way how the sneaker looks on my feet. I love the color blocking on the sneaker. I just love everything about the sneaker. So if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. That really helps a lot. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and comment down below what you think about these sneakers. Also what you think about this white lace swapping. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care, yourself and your family members.